Hey there, science fans! Always on the lookout for cool new gadgets and gizmos? Me too! Today, let's talk about something super neat. ChatGPT. It's changing how we work and play. ChatGPT is a tool powered by artificial intelligence, but don't let that scare you. It's like having a brainy friend who can answer your questions, help with writing, and even brainstorm fun ideas. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Imagine a computer program that understands human language. That's ChatGPT. It's like texting with a really smart friend. You type in your question, and ChatGPT gives you an answer. But ChatGPT is more than just a walking encyclopedia. It can write stories, poems, and even translate languages. Pretty amazing, right? Think using ChatGPT requires a fancy computer science degree? Think again. It's as easy as using your favorite app. First, open the ChatGPT website or app. You can find it online or download the app on your phone. Next, type your question or request. Want to know the capital of France? Need help writing a birthday card? Just type it in. Then, hit enter and get your answer. ChatGPT will process your request and give you a helpful response. See? It's like magic, but it's actually science. ChatGPT is for everyone, from students to scientists to senior citizens. Here are some ways it can make your life easier. If you're stuck on a math problem, ChatGPT can help. Need to write a letter or email? ChatGPT can help you find the perfect words. Craving cookies? ChatGPT can find you a delicious recipe. Remember, the clearer your questions, the better ChatGPT can help you. So be specific. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for learning and having fun. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see what amazing things you can do together.